I packed my car into a cop car the other day. Well, he just drove up sometime Bob's K. I ran my mouth out a bit too much. Oh, what did I say? Well, you just laughed it off, it was all okay. And we're all floating on 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 anyway. Well, a fake Jamaican took every last time with that scam. It was worth it just to learn some sleight of hand. Bad news comes, don't you worry even.